After reading the book of Bob Marks, How to Get More Love, Money and Success by Traveling on Your Birthday, and experimenting myself, I came to a firm conclusion that solar, lunar and other returns are a lot more descriptive for the person's life if they're created as precession-corrected returns. So here is how to create a precession-corrected return chart using Astroprocessor Zeus, the software which is currently freely available and which is being developed very actively with a lot of new interesting features. So here is some natal chart, Brad Pitt in this example, doesn't matter, someone who we are interested in, and we go to the menu, events, calculate events, and returns. Here, first of all, the place of the return is by default the place of birth, but we can change it. For example, we believe that Brad Pitt will meet his next solar return in New York, for example. Okay. And if you are going to create several returns for this location, New York, and not for the place of birth, then perhaps you should mark this checkbox. But we won't do this right now. Now the period which we're interested in, for example, from May 2023 to May 2024. Now the important point is to check this box, consider precession. And for which planet? Let's do a solar return. And the aspect, if it's just a normal solar return, we use the aspect 0. If we want to create a semi-solar return, when the transiting sun is in opposition to the natal sun, we'll use 180. But in practice, I also use quarter solar returns, so to say, but that's something I will tell in my course. Let's create the normal solar return. The settings, precession, okay, just press the button calc, and here is the next date of the precession-corrected solar return for Brad Pitt. Now we just right-click on it with the mouse and apply to dial 1. That's it, done. So this is solar return with precession correction for Brad Pitt. Please pay attention to the fact that the position of the sun when the return chart is created with precession correction will not match the natal position of the sun, because here when we make this correction for precession, we are returning the sun to its position against the starry sky, not in the tropical zodiac. But that's again something I will explain in my course. So here it is. If you have any comments or questions, please write under this video.